everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to create this nude glam makeup look for you all, and this is really simple to achieve. So if you really want to know how I did it, so let's dive into the video. Starting with the face, I'm using a new foundation today which I haven't used before, and this is Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and I am in the shade Warm Beige. So this is actually a very good foundation, guys. This is amazing foundation for girls who have dry skin, and I too have dry skin, so I wanted to try this in this video and want to tell you that this is actually a very skin-like foundation, and it gives you medium to full coverage. So if you want full coverage, you can go for more than one pump. And this is lightweight, it feels very skin-like, it feels very thin on your skin, and the best part about this foundation that is it has got pumps, so you know you can avoid wasting the foundation. So I'm taking a single pump on the back of my hand and I'm mixing it with the Colorbar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. I'm going to take one pump of this as well. And I'm going to apply this with the help of a beauty blender. I'm going to take one more pump of this foundation because I feel that I need a little more coverage. The only thing I want to say about this foundation is that it is a bit pricey, guys. It is for 1,325. So if you want to purchase this one, you can save some bucks for yourself, and you know you can also wait for discounts on online. So and then you can buy it. Whatever is remaining on my beauty blender, I'm taking it on my eyelids as well. So after applying this foundation, I am going to cancel out all the baddies I have on my face with the help of this Pro Elegant concealer, and I'm used this in the shade Pro Beige. So going to cancel out all the darkness I have around my eyes. And very gently I'm pressing this concealer all over my face. The next concealer I'm using is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and I want some brightness under my eyes, so I'm taking this under my eyes for highlighting, and I've also covered the area where there's darkness on my skin. I'm going to blend this onto my skin. So after blending out everything really well, I'm going to set it using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm using this in the shade medium. And whatever is left in this beauty blender, I'm just dabbing it all around my face just to set wherever I used the concealer. Now after this, I'll quickly jump to the contour. Now for contour, I'm using this Wet n Wild Megaglo contour palette, and this is in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I'm using a very small cute brush to contour my cheeks. And for blending it out, I'm using a contour brush. After blending the contour, I'm going to use blush from Maybelline V Face, and this shade is peach, and this is the small cute palette which has got contour shade as well and blush as well. And I'm going to take this side for blush. I'm taking a round brush for using the blush on my cheeks. So going to give some color to my cheeks with the help of this palette. So you can see the flush of pink on my cheek. Now I will move on to my eyes. I've already did my brows because I just fill in the sparse areas I have in my brows, and I'm going to take the same contour palette for giving some depth to my eyes. For this Nude Glam look, I don't want to go into any color. I want to keep it really, natural. So just taking the same contour palette, and the brush I'm using, this is from Wet n Wild. So we are done with eyes. So you can see that I have something on my eyes, but it's all natural, it's all nude. Now I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Kajal for my eyes, and I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line and upper lash line as well. So I'm basically using this as a eyeliner. And what I'm going to do with this is that I'm going to use a pencil brush, and I'm going to just smoke out the kajal I've applied on my lower and upper lash line, just to give that smoky effect to my eyes. Now I'm taking the same contour color and going to apply some on my lash line. And I'm going to dust off the powder I applied for setting the concealer. I'm taking a lash curler and going to curl my lashes. And for the mascara, I'm taking my usual Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Mascara and going to give some length to my eyelashes. So that's it for the eyes, guys. And for the highlighter, I'm using this Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And first of all, I'll mist myself because I have all the powder products on myself, so I just want everything to just sink on my face. And now comes the highlighter, and I'm taking a brush to highlight my face, and I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face, like apple of my cheeks, bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, chin. My brow bone, of course. And now comes the final part of this look, which is lipstick. And the lipstick I'm going to use, so first of all I'm going to line my lips using lip liner from Chambor. This is in the nude shade. And for the lipstick, I'm using L'Oreal Paris lipstick. This is in the shade Brown Sucre. And this is perfect for this nude look. So this is the final look, guys, and this is my nude glam tutorial for you all. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please let me know in the comment section, and please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.